I'm gonna take you to a special place that nobody knows.
Hidden Lake is a 120-acre property with a 60-acre private lake at its heart. Pack up a picnic basket, the binoculars, a camera, the fishing gear, and drive to Hidden Lake to get away from it all for the day. Call 623-777-5814. Experience a quiet, serene setting where you can view and photograph about 150 different species of birds in their natural habitat. Feel free to walk around the lake to discover a private spot to relax, birdwatch, or fish. Please remove your litter and help us out by picking up any garbage left by others. You may keep any catfish, carp, and tilapia that you catch. The lake is catch and release for all bass, crappie, and bluegill. For the hardcore angler, the word is spreading that Hidden Lake is recognized for its big fish. For more information, visit their website at www.hiddenlakeaz.com.
Topwater is Hidden Lake's premier event area. Plan a wedding, concert, or other event. Check out their website for more information.
From a long-term vision, we look forward to the day where we can actually integrate the project into a broader urban development with the city of Buckeye and have that connection to downtown, but that's quite a ways out. In our more immediate future, we're very much focused on creating an opportunity for people to come out here and not just fish all day, but then spend the night camping, RV, glamping, those type of things. We have live music opportunities out here, place for, great corporate and private events. But, like I mentioned before, at the same time, really focused on creating a consumer experience and a shore experience that rivals the quality of the fishing experience on the water.
We really hope that you'll follow our channel by subscribing today.